In this video, we highlight both our advanced online chat product, Openbay Otis, and our online marketplace for automotive services, featuring a new user interface going live in July of 2020. Now let's kick it off with Openbay Otis. Driving people to your website that are in need of automotive services is just your first challenge as a business. Now getting those visitors to convert to customers is your next in order to grow your business. Your website needs to communicate in ways your visitors expect. Openbay Otis can help. It's a customizable button that appears on your website. It's a messaging platform people are familiar with. It starts with a conversation with your visitor or customer. It answers questions and captures their contact information so you could focus on what you do best, and that's delivering high-quality service to your customers. With an easy-to-use and familiar messaging interface, Otis delivers service pricing, tire pricing, takes appointments, and answers common questions to help you close business. In today's world, instant access to information through conversations matter most. Now you can have them online, around the clock, and fully automated with Otis. Now let's get that conversation started so you can service more customers and get them on their way. Now on to Openbay Marketplace. You're getting a sneak peek of our new user interface that will be available in July of 2020. Marketplace connects automotive service businesses with consumers in need of service for their vehicles. Marketplace is nationwide, operates 24/7. Marketplace is an award-winning platform. It holds an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. It has a 4.7 out of 5-star rating on Google and recently endorsed by Napa. Similar to other online marketplaces, Openbay has trust and safety policies protecting the service provider and the consumer. How it works is simple. For consumers that know exactly what they need, a Google-like search field is presented offering hundreds of services to select from, or a menu of popular services. For consumers that don't know what type of service they need, they can describe the problem they're experiencing. In either case, Marketplace matches the consumer with a list of service centers nearby that can perform the service. Pricing information, distance, customer ratings and reviews, amenities are all presented to the consumer to help them with their decision. Openbay generates all this information on behalf of the service center. Consumers can then book an appointment online and even pay online too. It's a contactless system perfect for the events that are underway across the nation today. Looking for new channels to acquire customers online? Look no further. Openbay is here to help grow your business with new customers. Now let's get you started with Openbay Marketplace and Otis too. Visit openbay.com/solutions for more information.